Closer. Hello. We're on the road. Giop daw. We're on our way to Eindhoven. So, puntahan ko yung aking Indonesian friend, no? Mag-overnight ako sa kanya. Ang dami kong dala dito. Yan, nakachinelas ako. Pero may extra sapatos ako. Yung bag ko for tonight and tomorrow. Kasama namin si Anna. Hatid nila ako. So, good luck. Good luck, Papa.
Yeah, high five, Anna.
First time nila na wala ako overnight. We'll see. I hope when I come home, the house is still intact.
Think she'll so recognize you when you go back to work?
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I'm sure I will miss Anna. That's for sure. That is for sure. Naka-sunscreen na po ako pero wala pa akong makeup. Wala pa akong powder, hindi ako napa-foundation na eh. So, mag-powder lang ako. Tapos, yun, nakapagkilay na ako ng konti. It's a little bit weird because now my face looks much bigger because it's not wide lens anymore. So, it's not farther. But yeah, see you sa Eindhoven!
Bang.
Did you see that?
Ja, agoy ka sakit. No, yung Filipino bang.
Talaga to si Rote. Magsalita ako ng Filipino para malaman nila na Pinoy ako buing. Talaga to si Rote. Tapos inopen niya yung window, yung dito sa gilid pa. Buing. Ruth's favorite stadium.
Isa Anna.
Yung friend ko yun.
Ciao.
A few moments later.
Yun na, umiyak na si Anna and andito na kami sa Hot Pot Restaurant. Oh, diba? Our room said it's new in town. Amsterdam. This one is in Eindhoven. So, yan yung pangalan. I'm going in. Um, 30%. 30%? Yeah, okay. Busog na, grabe. Busog. So, we're done. We've left. Yan, oh. Laki ng mukha ko. Aroma still has bubble tea, but I didn't take mine because I'm too full. So, we need to walk it off.
And after eat again.
Yeah, maybe tonight. Maybe get something to eat later tonight. But then, yeah, we're gonna drink tonight. Aray ko. Medyo may kamahalan po siya, no? Yung lahat ng order namin kanina, mga 90 euro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was 90 euro.
But
Pero
it's a lot.
we ordered a lot. Yeah, it's quite expensive. Yeah. Pero minsan lang naman. So, pagbigyan nyo na. So we'll just walk to the centrum now. How far are we from the centrum?
You see, that's the carrot.
So it's a little bit weird to vlog like this. It still makes me feel uncomfortable when I vlog.
It's okay.
Nakaano yung buhok ko kasi hindi ako nag ng buhok. Nag-wash ng buhok kanina. So yeah, it's quiet for this time of the day. There's a nice car coming.
Everybody is in the park. Hilary, you know.
Ah,
in
the kermis. So I thought the car is coming. I was gonna say there's a nice car coming.
Later, that's why they say I really like to go to the office because it's
Yan, kita nyo na yung signal. Medyo malapit na kami sa Central. I'm not always comfortable crossing the streets in the city.
why?
I don't know. Sometimes the bikes just go crazy like...
Yeah, that's true.
This is how it looks like on a Saturday.
Not sure.
So this is the church. Saint, what's the name of the church? Saint Catharina. It's my first time to really walk here because there's a Japanese restaurant there. We went there together for the first time before, and then my second time was with my Filipino friends.
So you only eat 2 times?
Twice, yeah. I'm never going back there because the staff was not so nice. So nasa kami? Nasa harapan ng church. This is the church. We're right outside the church. May mga buto siya.
Where's the baby?
And I made some of
Yeah, well, there's a baby.
Buried beneath the square of the and may bungo din ng baby dito. Oh. Our room's from here, so she's showing me around. She's my tour guide.
Welcome
The
to
nightlife in Eindhoven. So maglakad-lakad lang kami, no? Wala na, close na ang mga shops, guys.
Chinese food.
Oh yeah, I've seen that one. Hello. Pinay po. Hello. Kuya, magalo ka sa vlog ko, kuya.
How do you recognize?
So we're here at the kermis, at the fair. Nakko sa bowling ako, ano. So maglakad-lakad kami sa loob, guys. I don't know if we're gonna try some attractions, but yeah. We shall see.
The next day.
I'm sure there's still a lot of flies.
Yeah.
We'll just
few moments later.
Auto! So, nakalabas na ako ng bus. Nakababa pala. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog doon, guys, because, nag-spend time kami ng aking friend. At tapos, pag pumapasok kami sa mga shops or kainan, may background music ba? Baka mag-copyright ako. So, yun. Malapit na ako sa amin.
Ciao. She went away. She went away when she heard the bell.
Where's my lab lab? Did you hear that? Where's my panga?
Terwijl het taart was opa.
Hallo. Oh ja.
Ze zegt rijst, hè? Rijst. Doe mama ook een beetje rijst.
Ja, kusje mama.
Kies je mama, mama waar rijst?
Kusje mama.
Mama is waar rijst geven.
Rijst.
Rijst van mama.
Mag ik rijst? Lekker. Yun na yung gala trip ni mama. So yes, nandito na ulit ako sa bahay. Dito silang dalawa. And I hope nagustuhan nyo yung vlog. Ulitin ko to. Kailangan ko to. Char. So, maglalaro na kami ni Ana kasi gising na siya. Kakagising lang niya. Maglalaro na kami. So, yung papa naman niya yung aalis and mag-spend time kasama ang kanyang mga kaibigan. So, yun na yung ating pa-vlog and kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod na vlog. Salamat sa pagpanonood. Please subscribe to our channel, pinoydutchfamilyvlogs. So, bye Ana!
Houdoe,
Ana, say houdoe. Doei. Doei, papa.
Doei doei.
Moes, moes, baboes.
Nee.